एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां देश भर के स्टार्टअप्स अपने सपने को आकाश गुप्ता, फाउंडर ऑफ ज़िप, के सामने पिच करते हैं। कहीं सपने बर्न होते हैं, कहीं कुछ लर्न कर जाते हैं और कहीं कुछ अर्न कर भी जाते हैं।
Hi everybody, this is Kanika Singh. I'm the co-founder of Mishmash Natural. I'm a BTech and an MTech in biotechnology. I worked for more than 14 years with multiple pharma MNCs. So I do have two co-founders. So the first co-founder is my husband, Labdi Chopra. The second co-founder is Aditi Chaturvedi. She's actually my friend for last 9 years. So what I'm looking for this meeting with Akash is to share what we are building, get his insights, and also spread a word out there about that we also exist. And yes, we are serving a market that is currently underserved.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, very well.
So today I'm going to present Mishmash Natural, a
Nice.
brand born out of love and necessity.
Okay.
But before that,
Yeah.
I want to start with a song so that you know what the vibe is all about.
Okay. That's fine.
Let's bring on the fun all around. It's all for safe. So let's do it. I've got this joy, 'cause Mama sings it louder.
Great. Can you tell me when was this song launched?
So this song was launched almost close to 8 months back.
Okay.
So Mishmash Natural is actually a brand that is born out of love and necessity.
Okay.
And we are India's first Ayurvedic makeup brand for kids aged 3 to 14.
Wow.
So we have both beauty as well as personal care products which are there in the pipeline as
Nice.
well.
Beauty and personal, and only for girls.
Personal care will be more broader, and in beauty we are also trying to cover across the different genders as well for boys
Right.
as well.
Because in your ad also I could see only girls.
So that was the hook and that was the starting point, but in future we have products that will include the entire both boys and girls.
And you're saying it is all natural?
Yes.
Is it certified?
Yes.
By whom?
By Ayush Ministry. All of our formulations are our own intellectual property and they are actually Ayurvedic
And you
products.
put the ingredients behind the packs?
Yes.
Yeah, I
see
think you
here.
gave me this.
So I have added a brochure in your box.
Sure.
So the brochure actually includes our story and all the ingredients that are there. So the idea was that we wanted to make a brand that is more focused on, beauty and personal care, but at the same point of time, giving peace of mind to the parents.
Sorry, tell me one thing. I think just to talk about natural, I see a lot of chemicals also in this.
So this is a product that we developed. This
Okay.
is not our main product that we are selling.
Okay.
This is, we give it as part of a free gift. This was a sample that we were testing.
Okay, but everything else is organic?
Yes, you should check.
I think you should resonate with your theme called natural.
Yeah.
अगर आप कुछ भी बना रहे हो, चाहे वो फ्री प्रोडक्ट भी दे रहे हो, सैंपल भी दे रहे हो, if you're not connected to your mission, तो वो I think ब्रांड को कहीं ना कहीं hurt कर सकता है.
Good.
And I would not recommend you to have anything because the first thing that you
Got
said
it.
natural and you're talking to kids, right?
Yeah.
And you will just lose the trust of your customer on day one if you tinker with the concept of being natural.
Yeah, that's true.
And I would want to again ask, I hope everything else is natural.
Yes.
Is it certified?
Yes.
You should mention somewhere certified by whom.
It is
natural.
mentioned goodness of Ayurveda. The coming packaging, because we are almost at the end of our inventory, we have added Ayush approval as well. I would say, and I am honestly telling you, there are certain errors that we made the first time, which we are working on in the next lot of inventory that we are getting right now.
And do you understand these products?
Yes.
What's your background?
So-
and there are 3 co-founders I
Yeah,
can see.
so there are 3 co-founders. My name is Kanika. I actually look at the product innovation as well as the social part of it.
Okay.
I have done my BTech and an MTech in biotechnology.
Okay.
And for 14 years, I was working with healthcare and pharma MNCs, companies like IQVIA, Eli Lilly and Company, where I focus more on market research, customer intelligence,
Okay.
as well as new product development. Now,
So
the
who's-
other co-founder is
Yeah.
actually Labdi.
Okay.
He's my life partner as well.
Okay.
Yeah, he's from IIT Delhi, to the batch of 2009 pass
Nice.
out.
Sure.
My third co-founder Aditi
Yeah.
is a family friend.
Okay.
We have known each other for more than I think 9 or 10 years.
Sure.
She's from ISB MBA and
Sure.
a NIT pass out.
And
Yeah.
all 3 of you are now full time.
Yes, all
This is a
3 of
private
us.
limited.
Yes,
Who owns the maximum equity amongst the 3 of you?
me.
You.
This is my idea.
Nice.
So what sparked the journey was like, I used to get ready for my corporate job daily, and my daughter was really fascinated with
That's
my
a
routine.
cute daughter.
Yeah, that's my daughter, Mishka. That's why the brand name is Mishmash Naturals. So
Nice.
the idea was that when she was really as young as 2 years, she was very fascinated whenever I used to get ready. So and there was actually a school function in a kindergarten and where it was Janmashtami. So we applied some of my luxury makeup on her and it actually resulted in an allergic reaction. So what I realized was that it was not at all pleasant. It was really unpleasant incident, can happen to anyone. But it sparked the journey for me to find safe, non-toxic product for the little ones. And then I started to order from outside India because in India I realized that it wasn't available.
Yeah.
So that was my mission.
Momsco was similar?
Momsco is safe chemicals.
And this is tested or sold to how many people now?
It's sold to more than 1,500 moms now.
And you're based in Delhi NCR?
So we are based out of Raipur.
Raipur?
Yeah.
And who manufactures this?
So the manufacturing is done in MP, Indore, by a licensed manufacturer who is licensed by Ministry of Ayush. So we give our formulation and the manufacturer actually produces the products that are there.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we are actually playful and creative. If you look at our packaging,
Yeah.
and
No, it's nice.
And it's like very creative. The kids want to hold, they want to enjoy it.
Yeah, no, I like this ice cream type of what? This is a lip balm?
This is
Saw
a
that.
gloss and you can twist
Yeah, I saw that.
twist
Yeah.
to open it.
Got
and it's oil based.
But are these things safe for kids?
Yes.
I know that we are building that culture, but you're saying that culture is now existing in kids to do makeup, but you're saying that this is safe if they do that.
So
How
I would-
often the kid should use your product?
So these are not a daily essential.
Okay.
We are actually in a weekly, like when they are going to parties or the weekends, birthday functions and
It's
everything.
like that fun moment.
More
then they
than the
can.
fun moment.
Any negative reviews?
Negative reviews we have, some
Like
of them.
what?
So the best review, so the most positive, first I'll talk about the positive, then coming to negative.
Sure.
Positive was this product quality is amazing.
I can see that.
Second one was that the packaging is playful. So they don't
Correct.
ask for my boring products.
Correct.
Negative reviews that we got that like beetroot as well as the hibiscus flower, the color was a bit darker. So
Okay.
they were saying that can you lighten the color a bit?
Okay.
Where we want the kid to apply a little bit lighter.
Sure.
So now the coming inventory, we have heard our customers.
Can you talk about numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just next slide.
Huh.
So we actually we started our journey in 2023.
Yeah.
Where 8 to 10 months went into the R&D of it.
Sure.
Now in 2023 of May is when our inventory was we received the inventory. We did a soft launch from July to September 24. It was more about through friends and family and word of mouth. We were building our assets at that point of time and we sold like 4.5 lakhs worth of inventory, mostly like through word of mouth
In 3
or
months.
offline. Yeah, in 3 odd months. By October and December, we had all our, we started our meta in place. We had our own websites working nicely. So that's when we started to push certain content out there. And then from October to December, we have done 14.5 lakhs of sale.
In 3 months? to 5
December was 6.5, 7
6.5.
lakhs actually.
What channels are you selling from?
So the primary channel was our website
Okay.
and also through second was through exhibition.
One question, that the revenue split between your platform and exhibitions is how much?
50-50%.
What is your repeat? Do you have that number?
Yes. So
What is that?
currently the product shelf life or how long you use is actually 8 months. So we
Oh.
don't have the direct number of you using a repeat,
Oh.
but we have had lot of word of mouth.
How long it takes to create a new product?
So including the R&D to everything, it takes close to 90 days.
Typically, if you have a few range of products at this early stage of your business, shouldn't you focus on improving sales on the current products rather than making new products?
That's what we were doing, but we realized that the customer is king, right? When we called more than 300 and 400, they said that we want the beetroot tin to be little less.
No, I think customer is always the king, but at the same time, business is also king, right? Because customer might say that, hey, why don't you launch it for me also? कल
We are
अगर आप ये
strong
बोलो
believing.
कि नहीं हम kids नहीं moms पे shift हो गए फिर?
Right now, we are only focused on kids because we know the space. We have built a community. We have like that equity in the market.
No, but let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
See, customers will always ask for more. But one thing that you need to focus on is one hero category to focus on.
Our hero category
हाँ.
is age 3 to 40.
I know, but उसमें भी आपको प्रोडक्ट जितने SKUs कम रखोगे उतना easy होगा बिजनेस बनाना. आप SKUs बढ़ाते जाओगे, there's no end to it. अभी क्या margins क्या हैं, profit margins?
Yeah. So right now coming to the unit economics, so the COGS is at 22%, 10% is payment gateway, and rest 68% is for the marketing.
Sorry, if you're spending 68% in marketing?
Yeah, that's the what we have. We are not spending, but what we have from the market.
No, how much are you spending where?
We are spending. So we spent till now close to, for the 19 lakhs odd sales, we have spent somewhere between 11 to 12 lakhs, and mostly in the months of October and December only.
In marketing.
In marketing.
एंड बाकी थोड़ा यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स समझाएंगे कि एक प्रोडक्ट
100
का
रुपए का प्रोडक्ट है तो 22% उसका कॉस्ट
Cost
ऑफ
है।
गुड्स है.
22 रुपए की
Yes,
cost है
22
सिर्फ.
रुपए. Then 10% is like the payment gateway. The remaining ones are the one that जो हमारा marketing का budget रहता है, and the amount that we have for the marketing.
बट यू स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑन मार्केटिंग.
We have this much, we are not spending that much.
स्पेंड कितना कर रहे हो?
So अक्टूबर से दिसंबर तक हमने 10 to 14 lakhs किया.
हाँ तो वो हो ही गया ना. अगर 20 लाख की सेल है तो 70% तो मार्केटिंग में गया है. आपने कहा कि ये रखा है बट ये गया है.
ये गया है.
ठीक है.
And just to let you know, the COGS, ये right now they are very high for a BPC business.
हाँ.
They will come less. They will come down by 4 to 5%.
नहीं कॉस्ट तो मेरे हिसाब से ठीक है 20% और कितना
No,
कम
it will
लेके
come
आओगे?
down. We have just ordered the minimum quantity.
But see, you are creating a new category, which is why your marketing costs are very high. That's a typical problem of a new category. नई कैटेगरी में ना खर्चा करके आपको कैटेगरी बनानी पड़ेगी. किड्स की कोई कैटेगरी नहीं है ना अभी.
It's a underserved. It's a new category.
How much are you raising and why?
We are raising 2.5 CR at a valuation of 10.5 CR pre-seed,
Okay.
and that's what we are looking for.
But you're currently burning. You're not profitable, right?
We are right now not perfect.
How much are you burning a month?
It will be close to 50,000 to 1 lakh.
How much have you guys invested?
We invested 30 lakhs.
Okay.
We are more committed to do another 50-60 lakhs as well for the inventory for.
Any marketplace where you're almost final?
We have just registered in Amazon where we are started to build our sales. Then
Sorry,
we
we
are
have to
in
go
talks
now.
with First Cry and Nykaa where they are interested.
Got it. No, I think I'll have just last one feedback. I think you guys are building a good product in a good segment. मुझे बस एक ऐसी चीज़ लग रही है कि अभी आप थोड़ा सा अर्ली हो. 3 months of stabilization is required in your business where you at least unlock couple of these channels. See, exhibition is good to enter, but exhibition cannot be your only source क्योंकि वो एक टाइम के बाद will not able to scale beyond that, right? And exhibition में ना माल बिक भी जाता है, is what I feel. मैंने बहुत exhibition करी है. I used to run a business और हम लोग exhibition में बेच देते थे. But आपका real है repeat का डेटा, रिपीट कस्टमर डेटा आप लेके आइए. आप यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स और टाइट करिए. मार्केटिंग के खर्चे को थोड़ा सा ऑप्टिमाइज करिए सो दैट यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग पॉजिटिव ब्रेक इवन्स एंड एबिटा. आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट. Right? You have that energy. I can see that as an entrepreneur. You built a great packaging, good segment. That's my feedback. Thank you so much. So good to meet you.
Same here.
Thanks.